In this video, we are going to see how to rotate a sphere. First, delete this cube shape by placing the cursor above the shape. In your keyboard, choose the delete button to delete this shape. Now, we are going to choose the sphere shape. Go to Create tab and choose UV sphere. Now go to Tools tab and I am using scale option to increase the size of sphere. Just move the cursor like this. Okay. Now just make a simple click if you are okay with the size. Now we need to choose keyframe. Go to animation tab. At the 0th position, I am going to insert a keyframe. Here we need to choose rotation. Now in the 100th position, choose the or place the slider. Now we need to make a rotation. To do this, we need to use rotate transformation option. You can find this here. Click this option and to rotate in vertical axis, you need to choose this and just make it rotate. Okay. Now insert keyframe again at the 100th position. Choose rotation option. Okay, now we can choose the normal translate option. Okay. Now play the animation. That's all.